and our co-chair partners, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Jacksonville. Local time is 9:25. We ask that you please remain comfortably seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop at the gate. At this time, our captain will turn the seatbelt sign on. Often this will be your one and only indication it will be safe for you to move into the aisle and begin the deplaning process. Please exercise caution when opening overhead bins as items may have shifted during flight. Once again, you can use those smaller handheld electronic devices, but please no personal computers at this time. If you'll be needing any information about connecting flights, ground transportation, or baggage claim, there will be a uniformed Delta Gate agent meeting this flight who will be more than happy to assist you in any way possible. We certainly have enjoyed bringing you here this morning. If your future plans call for air travel, we hope that you will once again choose to include Delta Airlines in your travel plans. If the Jacksonville area is home, let us be the first to welcome you home. If you are continuing on a most safe and pleasant journey to your final destination. On behalf of the entire Delta family, we'd like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a safe and happy New Year. And we do ask those passengers who are requesting a wheelchair, please remain comfortably seated until everybody has gotten off the aircraft. We'll bring those wheelchairs down after everybody has deplaned, and we'll be able to serve you better in that manner. Once again, welcome to Jacksonville.